Are you struggling to draw perfect curls in your artwork? Look no further. In this video, we will show you 3 different techniques to master the art of drawing curls. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Technique number 1, the spiral method. Start by drawing a small spiral at the base of the curl, then gradually increase the size as you work your way up. This technique will give your curls a natural and flowing look. Next up is the loop method. Begin by drawing a series of loops that gradually get smaller towards the top of the curl. This technique is great for creating intricate and detailed curls that really stand out in your artwork. Last but not least, we have the zigzag method. Simply draw a series of zigzag lines that flow in the direction of the curl. This technique adds a dynamic and playful element to your curls, perfect for adding movement to your drawings. Practice these techniques and soon you'll be drawing perfect curls with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more art tutorials and tips. Happy drawing!